guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Yes, I'm doing another cooking video. Today I'll be making Jamaican stew peas. I'm doing a pig's tail at the moment. As you can see, I'm washing my pig's tail and I'm going to boil it, and often boil it 2 to 3 times, about 5 minutes. You can do it more based on the salt content. The whole purpose of boiling it is to remove the salt content to your liking. As you can see, I have it in a saucepan, the Jamaican accent coming out, a saucepan on the stove, and I have my red peas boiling. The perfect red peas, in order to get them cooking very fast, you need to soak them overnight. So I would recommend measuring how much you would like. This is like 2.5 cups, and I have my salt, my cornmeal, and my all-purpose flour, as I'm going to make spinners. This is basically a dough that we incorporate in the stew peas that makes it so delicious. And there you have it. It's gonna be like the dough is gonna come out to be like like my palm, the palm of my hand. It's not a lot. And if you really want to get a hand workout, try mixing this dough. I tell you, if you want to get your arms toned, this works. So in this clip you can see that my pigtail is all done, and I'm just draining it in the sink, and I'm just going to incorporate it into the pot that I have my peas, and I'm going to make sure that it cooks down in with the peas so all the flavors marinate and my pigtail is fully cooked. And this takes a duration of like an hour, and it's all based on how quickly the peas is cooked, how quickly the coconut milk is boiled out, and stuff like that. There's no rush. In this scene you can see me incorporating my scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, that's spicy, so if you don't like spice, don't put it in there, and scallion. And in this clip now you can see me opening my coconut milk with my can opener. Very effective if you can open cans, and I have problems doing so. This is perfect. And yes, I'm just gonna add this 1 can of coconut milk to the pot, stir it, and make sure that it doesn't dries out. And I'm gonna stir it like every 3 to 5 minutes, because sometimes when you're cooking you can get easily distracted. As I said in the other clip, I'm putting on medium heat, and when you get distracted you can often burn your food. You know, it can boil over on the stove. You don't want any dangers or any stressors. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. The pot is bubbling, everything is marinating and coming together, and I am just ensuring that the water content is okay, that the pigtail are cooking down nicely, that the pepper doesn't burst in the pot, because if it bursts it's gonna give it a stronger heat flavor than what I really want. I just want like a mild flavor. I'm just putting some garlic powder into the pot, and I'm gonna put some black pepper and some paprika. Paprika is more for color than the heat. It's not very spicy, so it's just gonna give the pigtail in the pot a lighter pink color, as well as the beans in the pot is gonna change the color of the pigtail to a reddish pink. So it's it's just the Jamaican in me. I'm choosing stuff that's gonna have the flavor that I like, and it's gonna make this come together nicely. So I'm just showing you the size of my spinners. That's what we call it. It's just regular dough with cornmeal, salt, and all-purpose flour. And yeah, that's what it looks like in the pot. I'm just gonna stir it, and I'm gonna let them cook for like 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm gonna keep checking on the pot, making sure it doesn't spill over and the water consistency is good. And that's what it should look like. It should look like some type of a red pea soup type of brothy look, and that's what it looks like plated with rice. And thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit a notification bell if you want to see more videos like these. And thank you for watching. Have a good night. Bye.